part is quite a skinny part, so we thought, how can we get this off in the most efficient way possible? And we thought, we'll get it out of small bar with a live tools on a sliding head lathe, sorted.
I'm here with David from Restormel, and I know your facility is lovely. It's based down in Cornwall in Lostwithal. I've actually been to your facility, but now you're investing even further, aren't you, David? And you just bought another Star machine.
Yes, we bought this SB20, and we bought it because we've had an existing product that we had a surge in demand for, and we needed to rethink the machining process. Originally, we were making it on a VMC in 4 different operations, and it wasn't really where we needed to go with the product, so we decided to go with the SB20 and to get the process fine-tuned.
So you went from a milling machine to sliding head. So how did you mentally get over that? How did you kind of make that transition? Because that's quite a leap, isn't it?
Yeah. So the part is quite a skinny part, so we thought, how can we get this off in the most efficient way possible? And we thought, we'll get it out of small bar with a live tools on a sliding head lathe, sorted, all off in one operation.
And did that come from yourselves, or did you work with Star to achieve this?
So Star have been really supportive with getting that job up and running. Had a lot of help with programming, and so they've been really great.
They had a problem where they got a part back where there's a lot of manual loading and unloading on a milling machine, and it was just going to take too long. And also they hadn't got the manpower, so it was kind of a case of they looked at how to do it a different way. They've already got a Star, so for them it's kind of like...
easy transition.
Yeah, absolutely. And I've got a great relationship with Barry and the rest of the team there. It's like, how can we help? So this solution where we can put it on our machine, bar-fed milling machine in effect for him, automated process, you can make the parts a lot easier, faster.
Is it a quick turnaround time?
Yeah, I'd like to think so. From the time from the conversations, working with the team there to understand what they needed on the machine, would be filter mist, swath conveyor, decision to get it ordered, and then within a few weeks we had programs, the machine delivered, tooling on the machine, cutting metal, and they're up and running, making a lot more.
And what was it in particular about the SB20R2 as to why you chose this model?
So we liked how compact the footprint of the whole machine was, and it just ticked all the boxes for what tools were available in the machine, live tooling, and it also lends itself to other jobs that we do, so it's a no-brainer really.
Fabulous, thank you, David.